Luke chapter 10 from verse 38 to verse 42. When Jesus and his special follower them did a travel to Jerusalem, them walked through one district where one woman named Martha did live. When Martha see them, she take them in her house. Now, Martha did have one sister named Mary. From Jesus reach her house, Mary go sit on her foot and no move. She sit down and listen all the way him have to say. But Martha, she did a run round and do all what she need to do to make her guess them alright. She go to Jesus and ask him say, Lord, you know see how my sister left me one to do all I work. You don't care. Tell her to come help me now. The Lord answer say, Martha, Martha, you bother yourself about whole heap of sitting. But I'm going one sitting you feel bother yourself about. Mary make up her mind to pick that one day and nobody now go tap her. A God Wod Dis. Thank God.